Number 10, what is the solution of the system of equations below? We've learned many ways to solve this, including substitution and elimination. And I think in this case, the elimination method is going to make the most sense. You could also always plug these two into your graphing calculator, and I'll show you how to do that quick. You would put y1 equals, and you enter that formula. Then you would put y2 equals, and you would enter this formula. Then you would hit second calc and find where they intersect, because where these two lines intersect is going to be our final answer. However, if we want to solve it another way using pencil and paper, in this case I'm going to choose the elimination method because both lines are in standard form. So in the elimination method we have to get opposite coefficients. I'm going to eliminate x because I like 2 better than 3. I see 2x and 1x. What number should I multiply 1 by to make it the opposite of 2, which would be -2? I would multiply this whole system of equations by equation by -2. This is the distributive property. -2 times x is going to give me -2x. -2 times y is going to give me -2y. And -2 times 3 is going to give me -6. Now, we have two new equations that have opposite coefficients, and it is time to eliminate. So I rewrite the first equation they gave me, which was 2x plus 3y equals 7. And I rewrite my new second equation after I distributed the -2, and it's -2x minus 2y equals -6. Now we add these two equations together. 2x plus -2x cancels out, and now we only have one variable left. 3y plus -2y is just going to be y, and 7 plus -6 is going to give me -1. So now I know that y is -1. In this case, I already know my correct answer, but I just want to plug in and check to make sure that that's what I get for x, because that's what we do. We always have to check our work. So I'm going to plug in my -1 back into our original equation and solve for x. The original equation I'm going to use is x plus y equals 3. I'm going to substitute -1 for y. And when I add a -1, the opposite would be adding a +1 to both sides, and you would get x equals 4. So the solution would be x is 4, y is a -1. Written in correct order, my correct answer is 3.